outside yesterday and, like me, wondering how warm is it? Well, it was pretty warm. In fact, these are yesterday's high temperatures. 80 degrees at Dunkirk. Yeah, that was the high. Even down by the lakeshore, Buffalo hitting 77. More of a land breeze. That breeze really kind of kicked in more off the land rather than off the lake yesterday, allowing that temperature to really build for us behind the warm front. Niagara Falls hit 76, Jamestown 75, and even Wellsville, you did pretty well. Maybe not as hot as some other places across western New York, but 66 degrees was your high temp. Let's take a look at it now as we get into this Monday. Big changes shaping up, at least for today. In fact, we're going to be keeping a close eye on some potentially severe weather developing as we get into the early afternoon hours today. A line of showers, some thunderstorms out to the west of the area. Right now, they look kind of middle of the road. Nothing much going on here with this activity, but as we work through the day, I think these will probably gain some energy and some strength as they barrel in our direction. And there is going to be a chance, at least, of some severe weather setting up across our area. Not so for the morning commute, though. Still pretty tranquil out there. Just some clouds in place. Still around 70 degrees for the morning commute. 63 rain showers, thunderstorms arriving by midday and early afternoon. We're back down to 57 to wrap it up at 5 p.m. So if you're tempted to leave that jacket at home today and you're working late today, you still might want to grab it because big changes on the way by later this afternoon with that front. As we check it out on Super Microcast, here comes the rain and the thunderstorm activity barreling across the area during the midday, the early afternoon hours. There is a slight risk again for severe weather setting up, especially south and east of the city as we work into the overnight. Rain showers will taper off this evening, maybe some breaks in the cloud cover, but there's still going to be a chance of maybe a rain shower early tomorrow morning, winding down, then a mix of sun and clouds. Not a bad day shaping up for Tuesday. Back to reality, though, with temperatures back down to the low 50s. Another storm revving up southeast of the region will probably send some rain showers back into the area, at least to the east of Buffalo Wednesday morning. And yes, there could even be a few wet snowflakes mixing in down there toward the PA line. So we have that slight risk of severe storms early this afternoon. Possible damaging wind gusts with some of this activity. And you can see that the greatest risk is going to be pretty much on a Rochester to maybe a Mayville line or Sherman line down here in Chautauqua County and areas to the south and east of that line. On the roadways this morning, we have mostly cloudy skies out there. That's about it. No rain coming down from the clouds just yet. And our current temperatures running from 69 at the Falls, 71 at Buffalo, 74 at Dunkirk right now, 68 down there at Jamestown and Bradford, PA, 65. After a warm start to the day, rain showers and thunderstorms developing. Some storms possibly strong to severe and very windy as well, with the temperatures dropping from the 60s to near 70 early, down into the 50s by later this afternoon. Overnight, scattered evening rain showers tapering off, cooler and down to 36 to 41 degrees. Tomorrow, chance of an early rain shower, then a mix of sun and clouds. The high temps 46 to 53, back to reality. And on Wednesday, some morning rain showers winding down, becoming partly sunny, highs in the lower 50s. Pretty quiet day shaping up for Thursday in the extended forecast, and then some more rain showers wrap up the week on Friday into Saturday, and the temperatures hovering in the low 50s, maybe down to 45 next Sunday.